Does the thought of the PSLE oral exam make you tremble in trepidation? Are you worried that you will forget how to read aloud well? Are you afraid that you'll be tongue-tied during the stimulus-based conversation? Before sending yourself into a spiral of fear, hear me out. Hi, I'm Teacher Mavis. Speaking in an examination setting can be rather daunting, and you may even feel like you are losing control and plunging into the abyss of anxiety. We understand and we want to help you take control of your performance during the PSLE oral examination. This is one component in the PSLE English exam that you could score very high or even full marks if you are fully prepared. Being fully prepared not only helps you to avoid stumbling during the oral examination, it will help you feel more confident. You can make a very good impression on the examiners if you can read and speak confidently. That will definitely boost your scores. But how do you fully prepare yourself? Firstly, practice reading effectively using read. Secondly, come up with relevant and interesting ideas based on a variety of commonly tested themes and topics. Besides tapping on your personal experiences and observations, study our Mind Stretcher Thematic Vocabulary and Models Book 1 and Book 2. They are compilations of examinable topics and themes. In there, you will also find prompts, relevant thematic vocabulary, and comprehensive model conversations. Thirdly, practice speaking and responding to prompts using the Peers method. Still scratching your head and unsure? Clueless as to what the read and Peers methods are? Join us as we provide 6 hours of expert guidance to you in this last lab. We will teach you how to fully prepare yourself and even reveal last-minute oral exam hacks. In addition, you will receive our Mind Stretcher Thematic Vocabulary and Models Book 1 and Book 2 for free. Sign up now and we'll see you there.